Get all the lugs off. Now I was on the interstate one time in that big white truck over there, down in Birmingham, coming home when I coasted Pelham, doing about 75, 80 on the interstate, and blowed my right front tire out. If you ever have a blowout, guys, don't slam your brakes on. Drive the sucker. Drive it. And I was on the inside lane, had to get all the way to the outside lane. I got my truck jacked up. Big truck come by and blew it off the jack. But luckily, guess what I did? I'm gonna sit here and show you a little trick. All right? As soon as you remove this tire, put it under your car. Put it under some of the framework. Nothing's gonna hurt. If a truck or something comes by and blows the thing off the jack, now you won't least, the jack will fall over, your car won't go all the way to the ground. If your car goes all the way to the ground, you're not gonna get it jacked back up. Y'all got me?
Sure.
So put your tire, your old flat tire, under some framework of your car, okay? And it's a good idea always when you're checking your tire to check your brakes. Check your brake shoes. See how much brakes you've got.